Today we're covering wiring of the lights. I started with this simple schematic, writing down what lights were where and then how many connections would be made. Then my son got a hold of it, scribbled everywhere. After the schematic, we started with wiring. First, remove all these red or blue plastic bits that are on your connectors. They're pretty useless, and you make a much better crimp without them, and then you can either replace them with heat shrink or don't even use them at all. Next up, I assembled the junction box. You can see the connectors, aluminum backing plate I made out of some scrap, ground on the left, resistor, and the terminal block with jumpers. All right, here we have the junction box mounted onto the deck. Now it's time to run all your wires to the JB. I use bare butt connectors with heat shrink to extend any wiring. The yellow jumper is for the reverse lights. The red is for signal and brake, as well as the resistor for the LED lights. The black is for the running lights. There's still some cleanup to do here, tape and wire loom. And I repeat this same process on the driver's side. All right, time to bring the family around and show them all your work. Reverse lights, they're working. Running lights, they're working. Signals, those work. Better bring my kid by. I got the brake lights, we're all ready.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice and bright.
Yeah.
Brake lights are off. That's it for this one. All wired in. Leave questions in the comments.